Having a system in place to manage vehicles is top of mind for most fleet managers, but it's just as important to implement strategies for managing drivers. A driver management system allows you to look at your drivers, their productivity, and the overall safety of your assets. Here are 4 solutions you can put in place to help prioritize your driver's safety and productivity. Number 1, leverage GPS and telematics data. Your drivers are constantly on the move, and it's crucial to have an easy way to track their day-to-day productivity. Integrating your GPS and telematics data into your fleet management software can ensure that you have up-to-date information on your driver behavior, location, and safety habits. Having insight into your telematics data gives you assurance that your odometer readings are accurate and your drivers are using good habits on the job. Number 2, track fuel usage. Because fuel is one of the largest expenses your fleet deals with, it's important to ensure that your drivers are utilizing fuel cards properly. To avoid fuel theft, try integrating your fuel cards into the fleet management software so you can track purchases in real time. Integrating allows you to automatically log and compare fuel transactions against vehicle locations so that you can easily flag any discrepancies. Number 3, streamline the inspection process. Completing paper inspections can be a tedious process, which means drivers might be more likely to cut corners for the sake of saving time. Switching to electronic driver vehicle inspection reports, or DVIRs, can reduce the time spent on reports by up to 60%, getting your drivers back on the road faster. And because they're digital, they're always accessible in your fleet management software. That means no more paper forms, faster completion times, and well-maintained records of your assets' inspections. Number 4, set safety standards. Safety standards aren't just a way to keep your drivers safe and compliant. They can prevent unexpected financial burdens as a result from accidents like increased insurance premiums, fines, or vehicle repairs and replacements. The best safety strategy is a proactive one, so fleet managers can be sure to emphasize safety standards with new hires and continue that communication throughout their employment. You can utilize your integrated fleet management and telematics software to monitor your driver's behavior and routes to be sure they adhere to safety standards on the road each day. Other measures can include "How am I driving" stickers on your vehicles to report reckless driving, or you can gamify safety with incentives and rewards for safe drivers. If you're looking for a simple solution that allows you to track your drivers and vehicles in a seamless, user-friendly platform, Fleetio is your answer. Our fleet management software makes it easy to get valuable driver safety insights to improve your operations. Learn more at fleetio.com.